Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to set an ask on Stockx. So to set an ask or basically ask for an offer or basically make people some offer hasn't been easier than this. First of all, you will need to go to the platform as you can see right in front of us and basically choose one of these products that you want willing to buy. So for example, in my case, I'm gonna just go and choose this Nike Air Force One Low, etc. So simply click on it and choose it. As if the website is very slow right now, I'm simply gonna try to come back to you guys once it works without issues. So yeah, be back right after this page opens for me. So as you can see here guys, I'm on the website or the product page, and here I have the product information and the price. Basically we'll have every single information that you will need from color, size, etc. So what you will need to go looking for is next here. Normally it should load next to the buy button, which should be located right here. It should be make an offer, as you will be seeing here. So simply just click on make an offer and write down your offer. It's very easy and simple. So click on it. Here, make your offer, choose the price that you are willing to buy this product for. There are people who doesn't accept offers, so you shouldn't find this button in every single product, but there will be some of them that will accept offers. So simply go here, make your buying process, choose your offer. Here you can choose here the bidding price. So I'm gonna choose, for example, um $50 or something, $5 for example, something like that. And once you write down the price here, simply add the information that you want, the bid expiration and basically everything else. Then click on next and put your basically information or the payment information. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys next upcoming videos.